drinking. Today without brushing teeth.
Yeah.
Okay, I have here something nice from last year. Banana Boucher. Link is there in the corner. I just put honey, water, caramelized honey, and bananas.
Okay. And I still never tried this.
And you never tried this?
No.
The last time I drank it, I didn't like it.
Oh.
So, but I hope the age make it, or maybe my tolerance for the alcohol. I don't know. I started in February last year and ended in May. It's 3 months old when I bottle it, and now it's over 1 year in the bottle.
Gas?
Not so much gas, I think. Just a little bit pressure.
Oh. Looks good.
That's a nice color. So I didn't remember if it's the last year was also so clear already.
It smells like
So
banana.
really smells banana is a good sign.
You
because
put orange here?
no, it's caramelized honey.
Ah.
Let's make it a little bit more darker. But yes, the banana is now there.
Yeah.
And it smells not so much like alcohol anymore. I don't know how much alcohol it is. This was one of the brews. I don't write it down.
Okay.
I don't know why. We will see.
Try.
I will put it here how much alcohol it is.
Dry.
I think it won't, but I think it tastes sweet. Dry but sweet.
I cannot taste the banana.
The banana is still not there.
Yeah. I just can taste alcohol. No taste from the banana. It is a little spark.
What I say, it's more mild now. So not like the last year.
Tastes like brandy.
I think this makes the caramel of the honey.
Okay.
The honey I cooked.
You
the
cook.
pan.
Okay.
I made it in the pan.
So you could make a caramelized honey.
Yeah. I still don't like it.
Yeah, for me also.
The
it's
banana
not so...
flavor is missing.
Yeah, right.
You can smell?
I told from the beginning. I cannot taste the banana. You just when you taste it, it's directly the alcohol, strong alcohol in it, and when you drink it, the alcohol.
It's dry and still a little bit sweet because when you make honey in a pan too hot, some part of the sugar become non-fermentable. So there is sugar inside that can't be fermented. But also don't give a lot of sweetness. No, we don't need to drink it. So now we know, not so good.
Maybe you just
try it again.
Try again, yeah.
More ripe bananas, maybe.
What you make with the banana? You also cook with the banana?
No, I just put them inside.
So you just smash it and get the juice. And how many?
I just smash it and put it inside for, I think.
How many banana you used?
That's a good question. I think I buy 500 grams or something.
Ah.
The video is there.
Maybe you need more bananas.
You can see, I think more I need riper banana. So they need to be really dark brown already.
Yeah, maybe. And it's more sweeter. It's more, have more, yeah.
But it's a little bit like a white wine.
Never, I still.
The bad thing is I don't like white wine. Okay.
Nah.
So, not a success.
But it's really nice color.
The color is perfect.
color is really, really nice.
So color 10, clearness 10,
Yeah.
taste 3,
Yeah.
4. I mean, you can drink it.
Yeah.
You can become
drink
drunk.
it. If you like not sweet alcohol, this is perfect. I mean, not sweet wine. It's food. For
But
me,
no flavor.
Yeah, but the flavor, that is the problem.
It even don't have
It's
honey
lacking.
flavor.
Yeah, it's lack flavor. Maybe because of the time or what? I don't know. I don't.
No, the time I think helps because the last time it really was not nice to drink. It was on the tongue. It's like sticky, small needles.
You can taste. There's you can have in the tongue. It's like you don't use ripe banana or
I buy normal banana and I use them.
because I can taste it in my tongue. There's something like the not ripe banana. You have like tacky flavor in your mouth. I can taste it.
I just buy double banana and the rest of the banana we feed to our child. So, yes, the next time is better.
We will make again.
But you can smell the honey.
And the banana, just the smell.
So, also 1 year don't help.
Yeah.
Too bad.